As we age, balancing our hormones is even more important, and I've got a quick recipe for you today that will do just the trick. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we create healthy and delicious recipes together in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a hormone-balancing cashew dip. To your food processor, let's add 1 cup of cashews, which is a wonderful plant-based protein that can help support your liver. Next, let's add 6 quartered radishes, which are so good at helping to balance out your hormones, and they can also help detoxify your liver. So being that it's springtime, this is a wonderful ingredient to add to your recipes. Last, let's add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, which are a great anti-inflammatory. Pulse your ingredients to break them up into pieces. Next, let's add 2 cups of spinach, which is also another wonderful detoxifier. The next ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our organic greens green juice powder, which is full of organic and fermented superfoods. Last, let's add 1/2 of a teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Let your processor run to break the food up into small pieces. While running, add the juice of 1 detoxifying lemon and 2 tablespoons of heart-healthy olive oil. Now for the fun part, let's give this dip a taste. It's got a really great thick consistency. It has a wonderful flavor, and the radishes give it just a little bit of a peppery bite, which I really enjoy, and also the garlic does as well. But you certainly could add in more radishes. Usually they come in a bunch, and if you wanted to just use the whole bunch, it would definitely give it a nice kick. This is delicious and so good for you. Give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, I value your feedback, so be sure to leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you next week in the kitchen. Be well, bye.